We're here with Michael Zeetzman, Managing Director of Jones Lang LaSalle's Capital Market Group. And Michael, can you tell us a little bit about the economy you've seen in the last few quarters and, the fairly strong resurgence we're seeing in the LA market, specifically in retail investment sales?
Yes, retail investment sales have a lot of promise ahead. I think that we haven't seen a lot of activity over the last couple of quarters, primarily because investors have been very concerned about where this market is heading. There's obviously been a lot of volatility in the financial markets. But when you look at the underlying fundamentals of the retail areas such as Rodeo Drive, 3rd Street Promenade in Santa Monica and Old Town Pasadena, there's been a significant increase in leasing activity. Rodeo Drive itself has seen vacancies go from close to 20% on the street down to less than 5%. And that bodes very well for the overall retail investment sales climate.
So you talked a little bit about investment sales on Rodeo Drive and in all the high markets, but can you talk a little bit more about when we're off the drive and what we're seeing on some of the other streets in the market?
The other streets are a little bit slower to respond to this recovery. The upper end of the market, I think, has been supported by the consumer that has a lot of discretionary spending power. So the areas that are off the high streets of Rodeo Drive are seeing some recovery, but it's a little bit slow. They also suffered fairly significantly in the recession in terms of the number of tenants lost. The tenants are coming back, but it's certainly slower than Rodeo Drive.
Great, Michael. Thanks so much for your insights. We'll be back with more from the Capital Markets Group.